The knowledge base inside Privasee is your single source of truth for storing, managing, and reusing company information and historic responses. It basically ensures that accurate and consistent answers to repetitive questions speeds up response time and reduces that manual effort. Essentially, the Privasee platform allows you to save any question or response that you have created in the past, where we're automatically now going to be monitoring this against any of the documents or policies that you upload for any contradictions, and any particular responses will get flagged for review should they at any point fall out of date or not meet the internal confidence score of the platform. Similarly speaking, if ever one of your colleagues came in to respond to a question and they entered a contradicting response and saved it to the knowledge base, that there is also going to be flagged for review there for you inside the platform. Saving answers and questions to the knowledge base has never been easier. Once you've been through your questionnaire and you've got a long list here of completed responses, you can essentially go ahead, select all, and then by the More Actions button, you will be able to save those to your knowledge base. And that there is how you can use the knowledge base to speed up the responses for your submissions.